Hey guys, I'm excited to show you this knife set. It comes with everything that you need, including a block to put all your knives in, rust proof, everything that you're looking for a great knife set. So I'm going to open this up and show you everything that it comes with. Alright, so here we have everything that it comes with. Really good, sturdy, classic looking block here, knife block. Actually, this right here is a knife sharpener, so you don't even have to buy a separate sharpener. It comes with it in the block. And then it's just real nice, sleek design. Comes with a chef's knife, a bread knife, a slicing knife, utility knife, paring knife, Sentuco knife, really unique knife there, steak knives, 6 of those. And then we have kitchen shears here, and then we got the built-in sharpener and the block itself. So like you can see, these come well packaged. Here is our scissors here, and they work very nicely. We've got it's got the opener there on top, everything for a good pair of scissors for your kitchen. And then here is our steak knife. So we've got 6 of these.